Okay, opening. The tree is not there. Okay. Anyways, that is kind of fine. I can check this mode. The three things have to modify into it. And front is to this quickly curve, easy tool, move, perspective once again, right click, control point, and just modifying it. Okay. Yeah, something I created. Then polymodeling, cylinder, control A, control A one more time, cylinder 25. Each is more than enough. And this is by base thickness, like whatever thickness it is, based on that, a tree trunk will generate. So this is like if I want to reduce, I can do all this thing. So then select to smooth, which is symmetry, and this pivot I don't want, press Q, remove it, select, shift and drag. Select this and extrude. Dimension select and drag 25, 50. So I want to reduce, increase. This looks decently fine. And taper, flick, taper it slightly to give you nice tapered, this thick to thin feel, nicely twist, slightly twisted. And there's a very nice option in Maya. Right now, you see these edges are not aligned properly. So I can double click. You will select the entire loop, shift, right click, edit edge flow. It will basically average out the edge flow. So then press G, 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 G. It will auto align everything nicely. See? This is one of the best tool I like fed in Maya. It will average out. Now you have a nice, smooth, curved, tapered shape without any error, without any overlapping, nothing. And now if I want, I can just simply delete this section, which is not at all required. Or if I want, I can delete this also, but let's keep it. So like this, I can create this thing very easily. Let's save it. Now, suppose I want to create more branches. Obviously, it's a tree, so it will have more branches, right? So, how to create branches from this? And I'll be using EP tool. Let's go here. EP tool. Let's select use. Go here. Vertex point. Just make sure it's starting somewhere from the branch. give it a nice curvy feel. Because it's a bit stylized, since the entire thing is a bit stylized. So let's see something bit more stylized and wavy and all these things. So I have created this another curve, and I want this branch generate from here. So for that, what I'll do is select this model. I delete out his screen. If I want, I can because the freeze and everything is gone because I forgot to save reset and freeze. So I need to add polygons here. Multi cut tool one. I can use like maybe this is fine. It's almost in the center. This is fine. So W. Now select this space and go to mesh, and there is the option. Where is that option? Say the something circularize this option. If you click it, basically try to convert that shape, whatever shape polygon you have selected, try to convert that into a sphere. That's what it try to do. Select these two, mesh, circularize. You see, it becomes it gives like whatever it have, it try to convert that into circular shape. Then shift, then make sure select these two and shift. Okay, let's see. Select this exact same thing, extrude, division, division, paper, paper, twist if I want, if I don't want, that's totally up to me. Like this, I can generate all this kind of curvy shape and all very easily without any problem. And then I can switch off this, and if I want to look it smooth, it's just 350, nice, smooth, clean shape. Very easily, and I can add more branches here and there everywhere. I can add some rock. I'll create some rock. So like this, you can like create ivies, vines, or complex geometries very easily within no time, like very quickly. And there is one more tool is there, Mesh. I'll show that also, like how to create that. Use that and create some complex shape. Like suppose you have a pipe or some shape repeating again and again. How to use that on its line, so, and that to dynamically like you can modify that thing later also. Like suppose I go here. Um, see, it is still editable. If I don't delete my history, it will stay editable. So it's all dynamic. Modify this thing very easily. And this curve won't work as I have deleted history for this curve. So like this, I can create all the shapes and trees and trunks and make things nice. And then I'll show you how to apply textures, maps, and then set up a lighting and how to render it. With the help of Arnold and all, how to light it, how to check everything, and how to apply texture, how to apply maps, how to create alphas, and how to create leaves and all very easily. And there are like two things are remaining here. So I'll add those things. There's a path I'll create here. So it's kind of a small, tiny diorama just to make you understand that software. It's nothing to do with your like very good quality scene or something. It's just a very simple scene and simple scene just to make you understand how Maya works and how to create things very easily. And there are a lot of tools we can use. I'll show those things as well. So yeah. So try this thing out. Create something like very simple. Do not try to create something very complex. Try to do something simple, something similar to this simpler form, so that first learn the software, then we can move to complex objects. Okay. So try this thing out, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow again. And you can have, suppose you have any doubts regarding Unreal or OM or environment or anything, you can ask me those things as well. So we can utilize this time for all sort of doubts and clear everything and fix everything. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
when you clear the history, are you clearing the history of a particular mesh or is it for the entire project?
Particular mesh. I'm just selecting this part, like suppose this one, there is a poly extrude. If I clear this, it will affect this, whatever is selected. If you want to delete everything, you can go here, delete all by this thing. History, this thing, delete all by type. This will delete history for the entire this thing, mesh, everything like all whatever you have in your scene. It will delete everything and delete by type. This also you can manipulate. So whatever I'm selecting, I'm just deleting that one. I'm not deleting everything.
Okay.
So one by
And so
one, I'm
where
deleting.
can you hide the mesh? Here's the option.
All
What
set.
Hide one.
Hi.
Like to hide a mesh, like in 3ds, na, you can hide
Just
the
All
mesh in the
suppose you want to hide this, just press H from your keyboard. H,
Acha,
just H.
then to unhide that,
Uh,
they just came.
unhide that. You can see outliners. These are hidden. I can select them and shift H.
Okay, shift H.
Yes. Shift H to unhide, H to hide.
To hide.
So like this we can create very easily, and we'll create something and we'll texture also this thing, and we'll add more details to this like in mesh or maybe in texture we can do that, and then we'll modify it. Okay. So try this thing out, and then I'll get into like your UVs, because I'm sticking to simpler environment. Reason, because there are a lot of, because materials are there, UVs are there, textures are there. So all those things we have to cover. Like we have 2 3 weeks. So within that we have to cover everything. So that's why I'm focusing on a small, simpler model, so that you can understand everything and learn everything. Okay. So try this thing out. Then we'll move to UVs, how to UV for this, how to UV for this. And Maya UV is way efficient and way faster. Like you can do layouting and everything. And Maya auto layouting is amazing. It almost like fits everything within the layout perfectly. I'll show all those things. So like try this thing out, create something simpler, and if you can mail your asset, because for this there is no module in Moodle, so you can just simply, I asked already for Praveen, so he might create, but it's still nothing is there. So you can forward me mail me this thing directly, so we can discuss and create things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye bye, and see you guys tomorrow.
Okay, sir,
Thank
sir,
you,
one
sir.
more thing.
Tell me.
Sir, do you like have some free time this evening? I have to talk to you about something regarding job.
So then today I have like a couple of classes plus till 4 5 o'clock I have classes. So today I'm busy. Tomorrow we can have
Okay.
this separate
So,
meeting
like,
around
my like parents are like start
huh.
getting.
Okay, around 3 o'clock or something we can have a class session. No problem.
So it's just like 15 20 minutes. That's it.
It's fine. It's around 3 o'clock or something, because tomorrow I have less classes. So tomorrow we can do it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. Chalo. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.